Okay, I'm here again today to install an Opti-Klens eye wash station. So we've taken out the existing faucet and installed a nice Moen faucet that matches the shape of the spout that is in the Opti-Klens instructions itself. Let's see, you can see the shape of the spout there is very, very similar. And it's simple as, well, in Canada, left is hot, right is cold. So turn it to the cold side a bit. Set the speed of the water however you like. And there you have an eye wash station. Of course, you can set it nice and high, get a good wash. And I believe cold water is always recommended as the best wash. So thank you very much and have a great day. This has been Don Moody of handymanreality.com.